In this video, let's talk about what size of the Tesla wheel spacer that will make the rear wheels to be flush with the fenders. Let's go.
You can run different sizes of Tesla Model Y wheel spacers with no problems. However, different versions of the Tesla Model Y may have different distance from the rear wheels to the fenders. Even if they are the same exact cars, this gap between the front wheel and the rear wheel is different. Knowing how much the wheel gap helps you choose the correct wheel spacer size, which can make the Tesla Model Y wheel flush with the fenders. Place a straight edge against the outermost part of the tires, then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. If the value is 80mm, then 80mm Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will flush the wheels with the fender. High-end Tesla Model Y wheel spacers should not be bad for your cars. Unlike most spacers people find in the market, BONOSS spacers are exceptionally strong, making them very durable. Such spacers can handle more forces without breaking. Due to the super forging process, BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are lighter and have better corrosion resistance. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are scrapped and geared toward improved performance and exotics. A key advantage of BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with pedal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, effectively dissipating heat for the braking system. If you intend to install performance brakes, BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will give you a much better experience.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.